Howdy everyone, Nimby here. Today we're going to be tying the sandfly buck. We're going to start off with 8/0 thread in black and put in a thread base. After stacking a moderate amount of brown roe deer hair, we can tie it in at its shank length, and we'll cut off the tag ends and bury them in. Then we'll tie in the rib a nice root beer brown floss. And for the body, a single strand of light yellow acrylic or wool. And we'll wrap up the body with touching turns using the rotary, covering up the thread base, and then we'll tie in the floss. And about 5 segmentations will do for the wrap. And we'll remove our tag end and get ready for the wing. The underwing will be a nice white roe deer hair. And we'll tie that in just short of the tail length, with 1 light wrap and 2 firm wraps. The chestnut brown overwing is next, and we'll tie that in to the length of the tail with 2 light wraps and 2 firm wraps. And check to make sure it's sitting just on top of the white underwing. And we can remove the excess on an angle from the head and start binding it in from the head back. This will help to prevent a step, and a quick half hitch as a save point. For the hackle, we use a slightly oversized red rooster. And we're going for 5 sparser wraps up to the head. And we'll tie up the hackle and clean up the head here. And the original fly calls for a medium-sized, larger blackhead. 1 more half hitch as a save point. We can add 4 to 5 turns on our whip finish and a little bit of head cement to finish it off. The sandfly buck was originally tied by Marlo Godfrey from Spokane in 1947 to stimulate a big mayfly hatch that they had in northern Idaho lakes in June. Thanks for hanging out all, and add a sandfly buck to your fly box.